If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy, to introduce you to the Hathor bag. This is a Sacartonne Designs pattern. I hope I have said that name right. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So I just love the front and back panels and how you can accent a really beautiful print. And this print I have done in a cork fabric, which I just love. On the front, you have a zipper pocket that goes about the depth of your hand. With this beautiful piping along the front to separate your two colors. Decorative strap, this or connector. This side has a hidden connector. And that is the back side. Recessed zipper. And on the inside, I have done this one with my usual 2 slip pockets on one side and my decorative yet functional zipper pocket on the opposite side. This is an awesome medium-sized bag. As you can see against my body, this is the perfect size for me. This is the size handbag I like to carry. Larger size of medium, but not a large bag by any means either. The perfect size. Anyways, if you like this bag and you would like to order one and you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.